Hello guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to check your data balance in Airtel. So there are two options. One is to use the USSD code or the other is to use the app. So we're going to try the first option by going to our call menu and we're going to type #323 and the pound key or the # key and send. Here you can see it says you will receive an SMS with your data balance shortly. So we're going to dismiss this. I'm going to go back home and already you can see in the messages that there is already a message there. So we're going to click on it. And here you can see the current data balance. Of course, the other option is to download the My Airtel app for your country. And after registering your number, you can click on it. And right here at the top area here, you can see your airtime balance, you can see your voice balance, and your data balance. So when we tap on data balance here, we can see more details for this data plan. So we can see that it's 110 MB left. So this is how to check your data balance in Airtel.